Hi friends, welcome back to Merstack. This session is the continuation of last session, so where we have seen how to generate multiple streams from the single stream. So in this session, we are going to talk about how we can merge two streams in a single stream. So for example, let's say you have a business requirement where you are getting data from two APIs, okay? So let me show you that data. So I have created a dummy data. So one API response, you're getting it in the XML, which gives the, the data of the destination SFO. And second API returns the data for destination PDFs, and both are flight response, okay? And the structure of the data is same. So how to merge this data in a single stream? So this is not possible in the process flow. So we need to take help of data mapper. So let's create a data mapper and see how we can merge that data into a single stream. So I have already created the schemas for that XML data. So let me create a data mapper here. Merge. Okay. Let me add the XMLs again. So I'm using the same schema which I used in last session because the structure is same. Load it. Okay, so I don't want this. Yeah, so because I need two sources, so let me add the source again. XML. Okay, so now you can see there are two sources here, and the right side we have only one stream. Okay, so now the problem is I can't apply two for each on this target. Okay, either I can apply for each on this or this. Okay, I can't use both the sources and apply the for each. So now there is a trick. Okay, so this node is your recursive node, right? So we can create the clone node out of it. Okay, and it tells you that, I mean, how many clones you want. So based on your requirement, you can uh, create that many clones. Okay, so now if you see this data and this data, if you see here, okay, now what you can do is you can map this guy here and this guy here. Okay, let's go and see. Then you can apply, as I said in the last session, you can apply this feature. Okay, so you'll get all those mapping records. And here also you can go and say that connect matching children's. So you'll get those mappings. Okay. And if you go here to the, let's see how the data looks. Nothing is there. So let me add, let's copy this. Okay. Or we can directly copy actual data. Let's go here. So let me copy this one. And then I have one more. Okay. So let's see how the data looks. Okay, you can see it here. Now we have SFO here in one of the response and PDX in one of the response. But if you see the target side, we have both records in the single output. Okay. So this is, and you can apply filtering if you want, right? On this, if you see the last session, I have shown how we can apply the for each and filters. So please go to that session. I'll add, anyway, I'll add that link in the description below. So Yeah, so that's it from this session. In this session, let me recap. What we did is from the multiple source, we have generated the single output. Okay. Yeah. So that's it from this session. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, share with friends, hit the bell icon so that you'll get future videos notification. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.